database as a collection of relations. Collection of relations. Relation means table. Remember this word. Relational model represent the database as a collection of relations. A relation is nothing but a table of values. Every row in the table represent collection of related data value. If your table is a student, then it will contain student related data only. If college table is there, it will contain college related data only. These rows in the table denote a real world entity or relationship. Real world entity means particular entity which has a existence in this world. So that is called as a real world entity. In this chapter, we will see concepts of a relational model. What is a relation, tuple, attributes, cardinality, degree of relationship set, domain. Out of these, we have seen first three: a relation, tuple, and attribute. What is relation?
Table.
Table.
Everyone.
Table of values.
Relation is table or table of values. Tuple. Remember this tuple. Tuple means row or record. A record of particular entity or particular table is called as a tuple. Attribute,
Characteristic.
characteristics, and in terms of table, it shows as a columns. You can show entities, attribute or entities, characters as a attribute in table. Cardinality, here we will see in detail also. It means how many rows are there, how many records are there into your table. That will be cardinality of particular relation or particular table. Degree of a relationship set, it shows the how many attributes are there in your table. That will be a degree of your relationship set or degree of your relation or degree of your table. Domain, it will show particular attribute set of values. It will contain by particular attributes. Suppose if you want to enter integer values only, or that should be positive integer, so it will start from 0 to forward, any number which is positive, but it should not contain -1. So domain means it will tell us set of values that can be accepted by particular attributes. So here we will see again relation. It is defined as a set of tuples. Set of tuples means combination of tuples and attributes is called as a table. So relation is defined as a set of tuples that have the same attributes. A relation is usually described as a table which is organized into rows and columns. If you have a question about relation only, then you can draw the relation structure here. How to show the relation of particular database. This is the example of relation. You can take any example. This is student table. It will contain roll number, name, address, age. These are the attributes or columns: roll number, name, address, age, and horizontal line will show the entities data, that is called as a record or tuple. So 4801 Sujit Pune 18. This is one record. It is also called as a tuple. Same thing, tuple. It is nothing but single row of a table which contains single record of particular object. A tuple usually represent an object and information about that object. Suppose 4801 is Sujit. So this whole tuple will store the information about this particular object only. Then second row will contain information about this object. Third will this object, and fourth will this object. So here are the objects which are stored into the particular row. Example, you can see how many rows are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can show like this. These are the tuple of particular relation. Next, attribute. Each column in a table is called as a attribute. Attributes are properties which define a relation. For example, student roll number, name, etc. are the attributes. Same table we can show here. Here we have to mention where are the attributes in the table. So this roll number, name, address, age. These are the attributes. Cardinality. Total number of rows present in the table. This concept is new for you because already we have seen relation, attribute, tuple since first chapter. So this is new for you. Cardinality. Total number of rows present in the table. It is called as a cardinality. So here, see, 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 rows in your table. So cardinality of this table or this relation is 4. Got it? Cardinality. So how many rows will be there? That will be cardinality. Clear? Next, degree of a relationship set. Total number of attributes in the relation is called as a degree of the relation. Here, we have to count the total number of attributes of particular relation 1, 2, 3, 4. So degree of this particular relation is 4. Cardinality, there we have to count the rows, total number of records of your table that can be changed because records can be added later also. Here, very rare case we will change the attributes of table. So most of the times degree will be same. Domain, as I told you, in particular attribute, which type of value we can store, that is called as a domain. A set of values of a particular attribute is called as a domain. Every attribute has some predefined value and scope, which is known as a attribute domain. Scope means if I told that particular attribute will contain only positive numbers. Positive numbers means it will decide some scope. Or we can say that positive numbers between 1 to 100 means 1 to 100 we are giving scope, not more than 100 and not less than 1. So this is the scope. A domain describes a set of possible values for a given attribute and can be considered a constraint on the value of attribute. This is also considered as a constraint, means only these type of value we can insert into particular attribute. So this is the constraint, means here we are applying a rule for particular attribute. This kind of value we can insert. For example, the character string ABC, for instance, is not in the integer domain, but integer value is 1, 2, 3. If you want to find the integer domain, so there will be value 1, 2, 3 or any number, but it will not contain this ABC. So this is the constraint. This is the scope. Another example of domain describes the possible values for the field coin face. For coin face, what are the possible values? Heads and tails. These are the values you have given. These are the possible values for the particular attribute you have given. So it will be stored as like this only, heads and tails. We cannot store it as a 0, 1 or h, t. You told the constraint, I want particular attribute values like this only, whether either it is heads or tails. Nobody will insert the value 0, 1 or h, t. So this is about domain. Understood domain?